Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a Bosch rotary drain cleaning hose. I want you to double check the type of coupling that you've got on your Bosch before we go any further, because there's two types. That's a standard Bosch and that's a Bosch AQT. So if you've got an AQT pressure washer, this isn't the one for you. This is for the standard Bosch connector. You've basically got the O-ring right at the end of the bayonet connector. There's no nipple afterwards, and it's got two smaller lugs on that connection. So this is the drain cleaning hose, and this has got a rotary nozzle on it. If you look at the brass section there, it actually rotates, and there's three nozzles in the back of there, three jets that direct on an angle three spinning jets of water that sort of vigorously drive the drain cleaning hose through the drain. And it's a lot more aggressive than a standard drain cleaning nozzle. This particular hose is highly flexible as well. It's a rubber covered reinforced braided hose, and that's rated up to 180 bar at 60 degrees C. So mainly for cold water machines. We do this in quite a few different lengths as well. We do 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20 and 30 metre lengths. And my advice would be to get a slightly longer length than you think you need. That way you can use it for other jobs as well. And this is the standard Bosch rotary drain cleaning hose.